We're outside, and now it's already almost 9 in the evening here in Abu Dhabi, and we're out looking for a shop where my father can buy his safety shoes, because why not? And also we're trying the camera during nighttime. So, kamusta naman? Okay naman, di ba? Okay naman, no? Malinaw naman siya. Di ba, love? Ma! Say hi to my vlog. Hi to your vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Kaka-OA. Super OA ng mga magulang ko lang, guys. Literal na nag-hi sa vlog.
Baby, pakita mo.
Wait lang.
Una ka.
Baby, say hi to my vlog, baby. Hi! Wala siya sa mood, guys. Busy siya kay baby Ava. Alam nyo ba, ang baby ko may baby na. O, diba? Ganun dapat. So, ayun. Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Naglalakad lang. Bakit? Alam mo, lagi may kaaway. May laging palaban eh. Alam nyo guys, ang kinagandahan dito sa Abu Dhabi, ano siya, alam mo yung balance yung life, work, and life mo. Like, hindi siya ganun ka-busy na city. Hindi din siya ganun ka-lousy na city. So, you're just in the middle of everything. And it's really nice. Kasi, ganun nga. Na, you're just in between of everything. And it really feels good for people who are working here. I don't know to people who are working in Dubai, what. Pero yun yung naririnig ko. Pag sa Dubai, parang ang bilis ng oras, parang halos trabaho. Pero dito kasi, babalance. Parang may time ka pa rin talaga sa pamilya mo, may time. Kasi yan, lapit ng mga lugar. Lapit ng workplace, lapit yung bahay mo. Unless, pumili ka ng lugar na malayo sa'yo. Diba? Pero ayun, come stroll with us in the city of Abu Dhabi. Yes, we are near to Abu Dhabi Mall. As you can see, ayan, Abu Dhabi Mall na yan, guys. Asawa! Say hi! Say hello!
Hello.
Cute ng asawa ko, no? So, patawid na tayo ulit. So, kita-kits na lang sa Abu Dhabi Mall, guys. Promise.